console. Today we are going to build a dynamic top and chart in Tableau. Users will be able to select how many products they want to see and everything else will automatically go in others. So let's start. So first of all, what we're gonna need for this is a parameter called top n, and we're just gonna create data type integer, put anything as current value, let's say 5, 6, anything that you want, and put the allowable values as range. Starts with 1 and I am using 20. You can use any number that you would like to do here, and just press OK. Our parameter is ready. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use Tableau inbuilt function of sets. So what we're going to do is go to the product name. I am taking product name because I'm going to plot product name as dimension here. Whichever dimension you are using, you have to create a set for that. So we come to here, go to set, let's name it top n, product name set, go to top, select by field. In the field, just say top n parameter that we have created, and here we're gonna plot it against sales. So say sales and sum, and just like that, this is ready. So after this, what we have to do is create a calculated field, and in that calculated field, what we're gonna use is top and group, and it's going to be simple. Just say if the set that we created right now, top and product name set, if that is the value that is selected in our parameter, then give me the product name, otherwise just give me others. And just like this, our calculation is ready, and now we're gonna say okay. Let's plot the graph. Let's first show the parameter. Let's put top and group in rows and sales in columns, and we are gonna do some sorting. Sorted by field, we're gonna choose descending by sales. Okay, the graph is ready and whatever values you choose now will be shown, but as you can see that others is coming at top because it is a group number and it will always have the highest values. But what we want is we want to keep it at the bottom always. So for that we're going to follow this simple trick. So to solve this issue, what we're going to do is we're going to select the highest value that we have selected. We're going to drag others manually at the bottom, and if we change back again to anything, it's gonna stay at the bottom always. And why this is appropriate solution is because nobody wants to see top 100 or something like that at one time. It will mostly be top 10, top 20, at most top 30 people can go to, and we can drag it down below and just simplify this chart. And once you're done with this will give you a dynamic top and chart where user can explore the data. Now you will see the top products individually and everything else combined in others automatically on the basis of selection that you make from top n. And if you enjoy practical Tableau tips like this, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.